What would you do if people were destroying your home? Fight. That's what we're doing right now. The rainforest is home to many living organisms.
What you need to do is get off our trees.
You ain't tearing nothing down.
Right.
Who are y'all?
Don't worry about that. What you need to worry about is that you're messing up our home.
What you need to do is leave at this moment.
What if we don't?
Then I guess we're gonna have to fight.
It's not fair.
What's not fair?
It's not fair that they can come and destroy our home.
What they don't understand is that we live here.
Look over there.
Oh no, they're back, and back with more people.
Well, I'm going to stop.
No, you can't.
Why don't we just confront them nicely?
Or we could do that.
Instead of cutting down trees, we can all try something new, like recycling.
We all can.
Who's with me?
What you need to do is leave at this moment.
Don't worry about that. What you need to do crop it.
Who are y'all?
It's not fair.
What's not fair?
It's not fair that they can come and destroy our
You're
home.
not in it.
Well,
Action. I want to know.
it's not fair that they can come and destroy our home.